today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved posts on LinkedIn using the mobile app. Finding saved posts can be an incredibly handy feature, allowing you to keep track of content you find interesting or useful, whether it's an insightful article, a job listing, or even an inspiring post you may want to revisit later. Now let's get started and walk through this simple process together. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure you have the LinkedIn mobile app installed on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so with your credentials to access your news feed. Take a moment to scroll through your feed. You might come across a post you want to save for later reference. When you find such a post, direct your attention to the 3 vertical dots positioned at the top right corner of the post. These dots are your gateway to more options that are related to the post. Give those 3 dots a tap. This action will unveil a small menu offering several choices. Among these, you'll notice an option labeled Save. Tap that option, and just like that, you've saved the post. It's a quick and efficient way to bookmark content without any hassle. Now that you've saved a post, you might be curious about how to access it later on. It's pretty straightforward. Begin by tapping on your profile icon, which you'll find conveniently located at the top left corner of your LinkedIn mobile app. Doing this will bring up a menu with various sections relating to your account. In this menu, find and tap on Saved Posts. Selecting this will direct you to a dedicated area where all your saved content is stored. As you browse through the Saved Posts section, you'll see the most recent post you saved at the top, followed by all other posts you've saved previously. This easy access ensures you can return to valuable insights whenever you need them, keeping important information just a tap away. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to find saved posts on LinkedIn using your mobile device. Whether you're looking for saved posts for personal development, career opportunities, or simply to stay updated with industry trends, this feature enhances your LinkedIn experience by keeping everything organized and accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to click the like button. For more helpful tips and guides, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about new uploads. Thank you for watching, and happy saving on LinkedIn.